Hello traders and welcome to a new analysis. In a previous video in a short format you saw how I directed you that the dollar needs to go bearish and needs to go to this specific sell side liquidity in form of two equal lows. That happened, and since then we created the inefficiency in form of volume inefficiency, sell volume inefficiency, and you can see how market used that inefficiency in a lower time frame, specific 1 hour time frame, how market used that inefficiency to go even lower. Since then we created the equal lows in form of a sell side liquidity again. As you can see on the chart, at Friday, I directed my students to look for that specific sell side liquidity for the next week. So we expected that. As you can see on a chart, market, rather dollar, took this buy side liquidity that was formed at Friday at London session. We took that buy side liquidity and dropped lower, and this morning session, this London session, we took that buy side liquidity. Since we are at a specific important crucial time period, and that is the beginning of a new month and beginning of a new quarter. So specifically for the dollar, I'll drop even lower to the 1 hour time frame, so you can see what I am referring to. This is the new week opening gap for this specific week. As I said, since we are heading into the new quarter and a new month, today is the last day of this quarter, and what I want to see, or rather I want to wait, let the pass today's day and wait specifically for tomorrow, so I can see if the price of any instrument, or in this case of a dollar and correlated to that euro, I want to see if price want to make some bigger retracement. Why? Because at the beginning of every new time cycle, for this case is the new month and new quarter, as I said, but that specific criteria I want to see at the beginning of the week, at the beginning of the day, at the beginning of the new month, and so on and so on. So since we are heading into the crucial big time period, second biggest time period, obviously the bigger one is the yearly time frame, yearly period, beginning of the new year. And since we are heading into the beginning of the new quarter, as I said, we allow the price to make some retracement, since we are in the bearish environment, in bearish moving of the price, we can allow the price to go a little bit higher to go than lower. So I will pass by today's day in a euro and a dollar and wait for tomorrow and other days of this week to look for some positioning and some more information what the price wants to do. But for now we need to follow the trend. The trend is bearish. We are expecting the lower prices in the dollar and higher prices for that reason in euro. So we can go on a euro chart As you saw in a previous short format YouTube video on my channel, you saw that I directed you, we will go to the 4 hour, I directed you to be bullish on a euro, that we can expect this specific 15-minute sell side liquidity to be taken, and that will be enough to go higher to seek that buy side liquidity in form of 2 equal highs. And I specifically said that I expect to go even higher. Long term, I will go to the 1 month chart. Long term price target for the euro, I see this equal 1, 2, 3 highs in form of a buy side liquidity. This is my long-term target for the next month or so on, the next quarter. So this is the plan for the euro. Same principles, same thoughts, same plan, same strategy, to wait to see just one day that price, what the price wants to do with this specific time period on. If the price wants to retrace a little bit lower to go higher, or if it wants aggressively attack buy side liquidity and seek higher prices. I will just mark the new week opening gap for the euro. As you can see, the price is behaving contra-correlated to the dollar. Dollar is seeking, retracing to the new week opening gap, and obviously the euro is doing the same, but from flip side.